Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix Discord your message could not be delivered problem. Firstly, check your internet connection. Restart your router or modem if necessary and make sure your device is connected to a reliable and stable network. The second fix is to restart the Discord app. Fully close the Discord app, not just minimize it or refresh the browser tab if you're using Discord web. Reopen the app or tab to see if the issue persists. 3. Clear Discord cache. Cached files may sometimes cause errors. Clear the Discord cache by following these steps. On desktop, navigate to the app's data folder and delete the cache files. On mobile, go to Settings, Apps, Discord, then select Clear Cache. And finally, update the Discord app. Ensure you're using the latest version of Discord. Visit the App Store, Google Play Store, or Discord official website to download updates if available. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.